What I like to tell clients is the best thing they can do for their case. It's a few things. One, trust us. And I know that's long since been an issue in our field. Everyone knows that lawyers get a bad rap and some deserve it and plenty don't. But you really want to trust your lawyer and make sure that you've hired a lawyer you trust and you trust their advice and their strategy and their wisdom. Because it's really no different than, if something goes wrong in my house, electrically, behind the walls. I don't know how to fix electrical issues in my home. I'm going to call an expert, and he's going to come and he's going to tell me what needs to be done, and I'm going to trust him to fix it. And we really ask that our clients trust us. Trust that we've been doing this for a long time. We've got decades of experience. We've got decades of great settlements and verdicts and trial experience, and we really do know what we're doing. So trusting our strategy, trusting kind of the decisions we're making, trusting our advice is really important in terms of the attorney-client relationship. And that doesn't mean not asking questions. We love questions. And that is every client's right to ask questions about strategy, ask questions about the advice, understand it. For many, it's their first time going through something like this. So that's really important too. But I'd say number one is trust. Number two is probably give us as much information as you can. Tell us how you're feeling. Tell us how medical visits are going. Tell us which doctors you like, which doctors you don't like. Tell us if something's bothering you more lately and you feel like it's maybe not being addressed in treatment. Tell us what you're going through. Tell us what life is like at home because of your injuries. Tell us if you're having problems with your significant other because of this. If you're not feeling like yourself, if you're feeling foggy, you just seem a little off lately. We really want you to share that kind of information with us because it helps us do our job better. It helps us get you to the right doctors and make sure that you're getting the treatment you need. It helps us understand your story. It helps us understand your story in the sense that we can tell other people what you've been through, tell a jury one day what you've been through, tell an insurance adjuster or an attorney on the other side, hey, this is what my client's going through on a daily basis. That's really important. So giving us information. What else makes a great client? Communicating with us. Communicating with us is really important. Stay in touch with us. Especially in litigation, there are deadlines, there are things we need to do by certain dates. There's usually a regimented scheduling of certain deadlines that just need to be adhered to, and cooperating and communicating is really, really important.